Run OpenClaw on Windows with free API key. So as you can see, I'm running OpenClaw right from my Windows, and I'm going to send it a message like, "Hi, are you there?" And from the send, I'm going to click on the send for you to see. And as you can see, OpenClaw has responded and it's working perfectly fine. So I'm going to show you how you can do the exact same thing. You don't need a Mac Mini, but you need a VPS, and the provider that I recommend for you is Hostinger. I'm having a link of it in the video description. Click on it, and then over here you can come and deploy OpenClaw with just one click. After clicking on the link, simply come here to where we have choose plan and come and click on the choose plan. Okay, so when you click on it over here, you have the option to come and select the plan for the OpenClaw deployment. And then the one that I recommend for you is the KVM2 plan. Okay, so this is what you are going to get. Okay, over here you are given 8 GB RAM, 100 disk space, and then 8 TB bandwidth. Okay, so come and then click on the choose plan to select that one. Over here you have to come and then select the period. So from the period, come and click on the down arrow, and you can select 12 months for this. If you want more, you can go for more as well. Okay, and I have a promo for you as well. Over here, you are going to see the summary of your cost, but simply come here, okay, where we have a coupon code. Come and then click on it and come and use this promo code. Okay, simply put in and educate, and after that, come and click on apply. So when you click on the apply over here, you are going to get 10% off of the total price, and that is why you have to use the promo code. Okay, and after that, simply come here to where we have the continue and come and click on continue and go through the payments. After going through the payments, you are going to be logging into your dashboard just like this. Okay, and then from over here, you are going to see that we have VPS here. All that you have to do is simply come and click on the VPS, and then from here, you are going to see your KVM2. Okay, and over here, simply come here to where you have the manage and come and click on the manage. After clicking on the manage, come here to where we have your Docker just like this, and then in front of it, come and then click on the Docker manager. After clicking on it, you will see that from here we have the overview and everything right here. Okay, we have the project, we have everything. Simply come in and come and click on catalog. Okay, just click on it. So it's going to open here whereby you can simply come and then search for OpenClaw. Okay, so come and search for OpenClaw just like this. OpenClaw is going to come and then come here and come and click on deploy. Okay, so after clicking on it, it will bring you right here where you can deploy OpenClaw on your VPS. You'll be giving you a gateway token. You don't have to actually copy it. You get it from your dashboard, and I'm going to show you. Okay, and then over here you can come and then put your WhatsApp number or your Telegram bot token. Okay, but I don't recommend you putting it right here. Okay, I'm going to show you the best way, and come and click on the deploy. So after clicking on it, you'll see that it is going to deploy, and then it's going to set up OpenClaw for you. So as you can see, it is deploying. Just allow it to finish the setup. And as you can see, it has finished the setup. So from your Docker project, you are going to see that OpenClaw is successfully installed and it is running perfectly. So as you can see, it is running. Okay. Over here, what you have to do is to simply come and then click on the manage. Okay, so from here, it will take you right to your compose. You are going to see the name, okay, and that is the OpenClaw that you have set this up. Make sure that you are within the visual editor just like this, and come down here to where you have the environment and come and click on it. So over here, Hostinger provides you the place to paste in your API key. Okay, so this is the API key that I'm using. Okay, I just bought it, but I'm simply going to remove it for you to see. So I'm going to click on the delete. Okay, so that you see that I'm going to use a free API key for this tutorial. Okay, so over here, what you have to do is simply come here to where we have the environment and then come and click on it. Okay, so from here, where we have the name, come and then name it exactly as this. That is Gemini underscore API underscore key. And that is what you are going to use. Gemini free API key. That's what you are going to use. And we are going to paste the value here. So let me show you how to get the free API key. All that you have to do is simply go to Google. From Google search, come and then search for Google AI Studio and then hit enter. Come and select the official site of Google AI Studio by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the Google AI Studio platform. Okay, so at the bottom, simply come and then click on Get API Key. When you click on it, it's going to bring you right here to where you have the API keys, and then you have to come and create one. To create one, come and then click on Create API Key. When you click on it, it's going to bring you right here where you have the option to come and then create your API key. Over here, where it says Choose and Imported project, simply come and then click here, okay, and then from here come and then click on create project. So we have to come and then name our project, okay. So from here come and then name it as OpenClaw integration, or you can name it as just OpenClaw, okay, and then simply come and then click on create project. So the project has been created, okay, and then now we have to come and then create the key. Come and click on create key. So after clicking on it, the key will be created just like this. So as you can see, this is the key that we are going to use. Simply come here, come and put the mouse on the copy AI key, and that is it. It has been copied. Now come here to where you have the value and come and then paste it right here just like this. After pasting it, as you can see, it has been pasted. Come and click on save and deploy, and that is it. Okay, so from here it is going to deploy with the Gemini API key. So as you can see, it is been deployed. Just allow it to finish, and then the project has been deployed. The next important thing is that we have to come here to your project and then we have to restart it. Okay, so come and click on the three dots over here, just click on it. You see that you have restart. Come and click on the restart, and then allow the project to be restarted. Okay, so as you can see, it is being restarting. Just allow it to finish restarting. So as you can see, it has finished. So after it is done, now we can come here to the project, and that is the OpenClaw. Okay, we can come and open it, and then we need our gateway token. So come and click on gateway token and it will be copied. Okay, after that, come and click on the open, and we can simply come and then paste in the gateway token right here. Okay, so after pasting it, come and then click on the log in. And that is it. As you can see, OpenClaw has been logged in. But we have to do one important settings. Okay, so from here, you see that we have all these options. And then where we have the settings, you see that we have config. Okay, so from the settings, come and then click on the config. And then after clicking on it, it is going to bring you right here to the config. And all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the raw. Okay, come and then click on the raw. We have to set Gemini as the primary model. Okay, so you're going to see that over here we have all these. What you have to do is simply come and then scroll down, and then when you are scrolling, what you are looking at is the model. So where you have the default, as you can see, we have model, then we have primary model. Okay, so whatever thing that is there, either Gemini Pro Preview or whatever, come and then highlight it. Okay, just like this, and come and write Google/Gemini 2.5 flash light. You have to use this one because it takes less token. Okay, come and then write in this one, and then come and then click on save. So after that, all that you have to do is simply come back here to where you have your Docker manager, and then come and restart it again. So come and click on the three dots and come and click on restart. Okay, so it is going to be restarted. Just allow it to finish restarting. So as you can see, we have successfully restarted our project. Now what you have to do is to simply come here and then come in, copy the gateway token again by clicking on it. Come here to where we have the open, come and click on it, and come and then paste in the gateway token right here again, and come and click on log in. And that is it. We can use our OpenClaw. So from here, where we have the chats, what else I have to do is simply say, hi, are you there? Just like this. And I can send it by simply coming here and then come and click on the send. Okay, so as you can see, OpenClaw is working perfectly fine, and it is fast. It is having fast response as well. Okay, so one thing that I have to show you is that where you have your API key, that is from Google AI Studio, when you come here, you see that we have rate limit. Okay, so when you click on the rate limit, you have the option to come and see the limit. So from here, where we have the model, you can come and then click on the down arrow and select Gemini 2.5 flashlight. Okay, so after selecting it, you will see that from here, you will see the usage. Okay, that is each day the usage. So make sure that you don't exceed the rate limit for the day. Okay, so this is it. So always make sure that you don't overuse it. And then now what you have to do is simply connect it to Telegram or WhatsApp or any chatbot, and I'm having a full video on how to do it. So check the video description, click on it, and I'm going to see you right there.